an extended lemon water fast improve vision. So when you have vision problems, you have a lymphatic problem. The lemon fast is a fast way of moving the lymph system. So it's one of the tools I would use to fix my eyes. Yes, absolutely. When it comes to eye problems, head problems, ear problems, I use lemon because they literally feel like they melt out stagnant mucus and stop the obstructions that are causing the eye problems. Okay, because when you have eye problems, the blurry vision, floaters, this is your eyes mucus affecting it. So the lemons help you remove that mucus. You would have to use herbs. I'll tell you that straight out because herbs are needed to clean and strengthen the cells. And if you just go on a lemon only cleanse, whilst it will do a pretty amazing stuff all over the body, you might need herbs like the eyesight tincture on my website to wash your eyes and heal the eyes. You might need herbs to clean your nasal passage, your upper GI tract. You need a respiratory tea and tincture. Use the neurological tincture to push blood flow to the head region to speed up recovery and health. Okay, clean your bowels, clean your liver. Liver and your eyes are connected. Okay, bowels and your eyes are connected. Clean it up, and use helps with your kidneys and lymphatic system. If you do that, your vision will improve.